let's see. So low, look straight ahead. So low right shoulder. It's rotating. This arm is rotating forward, so he has a twisted torso.
Mm-hmm.
He has low back problems here. In the past, he's had chronic shoulder problems. And with the low back, he had a weak squat before. So what we want to do is straighten out that posture, balance out the pelvis, open up all the nerve channels that go down to the legs, so his legs are stronger also from his neck, so it balances out the arms and shoulders, so the shoulders are stronger to where now when you're lifting, you get more accurate lifts, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go face down.
Okay.
Definitely there. Let's have you sit up for a moment.
Okay.
Have a seat right over here. And interlace behind your neck. And lie back down. Right there. Good. And back up. And one more of those. Same thing. And back down. We're going to bring the elbows together. And just relax your pecs. Just let those go. Let that go. Excellent. Feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Now, let's go back down on this table face down. So we're going to line this side face me. And straighten that bottom leg. There you go. Good. Right there. Nice. And just relax this arm here. Good. Just let the shoulder go. Let this whole body come into me. Relax. Good. Now let's turn to the other side. Straighten that bottom leg. A little stiff in the glute, huh?
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel that. Yeah, let's let this one go. Good. Excellent. Good. Now let's lie your back. Okay, this one here. That's fine. Feel that carpal bone?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was off. Relax this elbow. Good. There it is. Good. Like this. We're going to come up on that. And just relax this one here. Good. Excellent. Bring this here. And just relax your head.
Okay.
So your head likes to kind of twist over to
Yeah.
the side too. So you're really stuck in the mid-cervicals. That's what feeds into the shoulders. Good. Excellent. Just let that one drop there. Perfect. So we just got the power going down into those arms. Scoot down just a little bit down that way. Now we're just going to pull everything back into alignment. You're going to lift your head up. Take a deep breath. Let it go. It's okay there? Good. Where did you feel that the most?
Kind of like in the lower area.
Yeah, right in that mid-back, right?
Yeah.
Good. So now let's go ahead and go face down. Now already it's starting to balance better. So we move this lower part here rotated the pelvis so that you get a good nerve supply down to those legs. Freed up this mid-back so the shoulder blades can start moving better. We adjusted the neck so you have a good nerve supply that goes down to the shoulders and arms. And we decompressed everything else. So power good posture. Now his arms look straight ahead. So now this arm is back now. It's sitting a little more square. It's still a little bit dropped on that side, but the twist is out of the spine, and his body's going to be stronger during your next lift. Okay? All right.
Okay.
All
Thank you.
set.
Thank you.
Power's on.